under resources, there is a, great on-demand video you can watch. It's called the Rocking the Cloud with Hazelcast Cloud. You can watch that there. All right, and now I am logged into cloud.hazelcast.com. And here what you're seeing is a cluster that I've already existed. If you want a new cluster, all you have to do is click on the new cluster and you'll be able to create your own cluster. Since I've already created mine, I'm going to click on SS test and it'll show you the status of my cluster. Currently, it is stopped. I can just hit resume cluster. Note that this cluster is running on AWS in the region, and you get all the additional details here. You just hit I hit resume cluster here. My cluster will get started. The beauty of this managed service is that you and your engineers don't have to know anything about managing the Hazelcast cluster in your data center, obviously. So now here my cluster is starting. If you want to, now I want to run my client and connect to it. So here is what I'm going to do is I've got a script run.sh, and if I do, it will start up and attempt to connect to my instance here. So if I go back, and so you see that it started up as a member and then it starts writing maps to it. That's the code. So if I go in and look here, I think we should see additional data showing up in a few minutes here. So if I refresh, you see the client count has increased, and this information will continue to populate. What I want to do is show you additional things. If you want to download a client, you just click on the configure client, and it will show you the various options. You'll be able to download a Java client, and then it has and how to compile and run it. Similarly, you can do that for various other programs, whichever client you are interested in. One other thing I want to point out is you can go to docs here, and it will show you. It'll give you all the information you need about how to get started with the Hazelcast Cloud. Thanks a lot for your time. Now I'll just quickly go back here, and you'll see that the information is getting populated here. You see the entry count is increasing, and this will continue to show the information as it grows. Thank you. Thanks all. That's all I had for this demo. Thank you for your time.